At the recent Aviation Africa Summit, we met with a company that produces the lighting for airports. And as they happen to be based quite close to where I live, I thought, what a great opportunity to come and see these people and see how they make them. I'm with Lee Sanderson, who's the export manager of CU Phosco. So Lee, the company's been around a bit longer than airports have, I think.
Yeah, the company was founded in 1923. We've been here in Ware in Hertfordshire ever since.
So tell me about the lighting you make, 'cause I know you make them for all sorts of environments and roads and ports and so on. What's different about airport lighting to anything else?
Well, airport lighting has its challenges because you're not just lighting the airport, you've got other considerations as well with regards to the security of the airport, the maintenance factors, and also the energy saving that we can give them by using LEDs. So they tend to have a lot better clarity of light. So when you're looking at reading documents or labels on containers in the airport, it gives you a lot better light so you can see exactly what you're doing. Also, the energy saving is huge. I mean, we've done Heathrow Airport and we've saved them 50% energy cost over their entire airport by using LED lighting.
Okay, brilliant. So whereabouts are you working on the airports? Where are they?
We've got airports all over the UK, but then we have some, the environmental challenges of the searing heat of the Middle East and also the very cold weathers of Quebec in northern Canada.
Okay, you talk about the searing heat. I mean, one of the challenges of LEDs surely is that they become less efficient as it becomes hot.
Yeah, the main challenge with LEDs is the thermal management, to keep the heat away from those LED chips. So over development and on-site testing as well, at Jebel Ali Airport, El Maktoum, we've developed the FL800R, which is our floodlight, which is good for all conditions.
And for the techies that are watching this programme, what sort of wattage do you have? How bright are they?
We go up to 660 watts, which gives us about 80,000 lumens.
So Lee, I can see behind you that they're actually making the lights here. These are airport lights they're making, and how are they doing it?
They are indeed, yeah. If we'd like to have a quick walk around, we can show you how they're made.
So we've got one of the lights here, Lee. Tell me about it.
Right, so the FL800R it's a modular system. This is one of the modules here, 165 watts. To make up your floodlight, it can be 1, 2, 3 or 4 modules to make up the floodlight that you need for the amount of light you want on the ground.
Can I ask, does that mean the amount of light you want in terms of light density or the amount of coverage that you would get?
Both. It's the light density and the coverage as well, because around the LED chips you can see there's a reflector which gives different light distributions.
So it's a modular system that you can get as many as you need to light the apron.
It is indeed. So if we'd like to look over here, we can see it in its modular form. Okay, here, so you can see it's made up with the 4 modules, and then we have these side and top cowls as well, so it prevents any glare for the pilots when they're taxiing in to stand and concentrates all the light down onto the ground where you need it for your work.
So Lee, exports must be important to you these days. What sort of markets are you looking at and how are you going to approach them?
Well, Middle East is a very important market for us. We'll be at the airport show at the end of April, beginning of May. Obviously we've just come back from Kigali, concentrating on the African market. And also Asia Pacific is also very important to us.
So thanks very much, Lee. And as you can see from this, a very switched on company, as we say in the lighting business. If you want to see more about the company, they're going to be at the airport show in Dubai, as are we, for we are Finn. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.